Wednesday night, four-wheel drive, short course racing. Mod, amen. See if there's any. Oh, gets him on the inside. Nice little move. Most people made it through. Perry out to the lead. Battery change. That's Steve in second. Had to check the monitor, didn't know the truck. Perry and Steve, bumper to bumper. Sam in third. Not sure which Botto brother is that. Perry rolling. Oh, Steven had a little trouble. But Sam gets right up to him. Perry rolling. Sam gets Steve. Sam's fast. Get after him. Steve's oh! That's gonna let me check who that is. David. David says the monitor. Sam and David right on each other. But as you can see on the back straight, Perry's rolling. There's second. There's third. Fourth. That's a good battle. Battle for fourth. David Botto. Oh, Sam gets it wrong. Ski jump. Well, at least David slip in there. Sam gotta get on it. This Perry's rolling. I haven't seen Jay in a hot second. I don't know what he's up to. Battle for position, I believe, fourth. Start finish, start finish. Caution. Clear. Sam trying to set up David. Gets him. Can't get himself some room now. Not a battle for position. Lapper. But first and second, tighten up a little. That's your battle for first. I'm guessing 5 minutes left. 5.5. Oh, second place gets it wrong. I think that's traffic. We gotta get around. Check the computer. Yeah. Leader over the triple. And now second over the triple. I believe that's fifth lap down. Sam is in third. About to get lapped. Am I seeing this right? No, Sam's in fourth. Alright, blue truck's in fourth. Leader's about to lap him. Low C, SCTE 2.0, if I'm correct. Looking good. That's the battle for third right there in front of him. Oh, getting a little rough. Oh, not sexy, not sexy. Sam ain't giving it up. Says, no, you can't have your lap. Sam fighting hard to stay on the lead lap. Leader caught in the middle of a battle for position. Needs to get around Sam and roll out, but Sam doesn't want to let it happen. Leader's a truck there, and check the monitor. David's his brother, I believe, in fourth? Yeah, fourth. So there's fourth. His leader. Sam third. Second place, I see Steve there. Man, better than a two-wheel drive race now. Everybody broke. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. Near the end, my body comes off. Kind of funny. Except for me, because I didn't get to finish the race. Losi looking good. Oh, That gap first and second staying pretty consistent. It's like a 2-second gap according to the computer. 2, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Hey, look at that. My official scoring system says 2 seconds. We'll check with race control. Fast laps right on top of each other. Oh, Perry, I think he's putting on a new fast lap. He's going purple, as they would say on the Formula One circuit. Looking hot in Sector 3. Oh, second place gets rolled, sorry. Oh, that's going to give Perry even more room. He's got a full straightaway now. Uh-oh. Better baby it. He's got to make it a minute 20, Perry.
Okay, second place coming up on you. Let him by you, okay? Second place coming up on you.
He got on it, got down that back straight. Here's second place. He's got to put on a show. Come on, Steve. That's that gap. 4-second gap, I think. Steve, check out what's going on in the back. Put it down. Oh. Oh. What happened there? A little unfortunate marshalling. Put second place back a little bit further. Bill's not used to having a marshal. Perry's trying to stretch the battery. He's got half a lap. He's gonna make it. Oh! Still running. Unlucky, Steven. Good race.
That's great. Perry 26,806, Steven 26,817.